How Skillshare is robbing creators. Ali Abdaal, he's got 2.5 million subscribers on YouTube. He has a very, very simple business model. He publishes videos on YouTube, obviously has quite the following, right? And in his description is where he links over, right, to his main sort of gig, right, is selling stuff on Skillshare. Makes his stuff, posts it on Skillshare, promotes it relentlessly in videos, right? Sends a lot of people there, puts a lot of oomph behind promoting Skillshare, a business he does not own. Enormous problems. Number one, the students that you send to Skillshare that watch your stuff, that follow you on Skillshare, you do not own those students. You are building someone else's business. You are building Skillshare's email list, their customer list, their buyer list, not your own. That is a massive problem. Unbelievably, foundationally important that all of you guys watching this video are owning the customers that you create. And with Skillshare, you are not doing that. You are building Skillshare's business, not yours. Jordan, talk to us about a marketplace of teachers and what that is and why it's bad.
No matter how good you are, no matter how popular you are going to be placed right next to some other guy that is just as popular, may have an audience 10 times the size of yours. And then it's left to the viewer, left to the audience to kind of choose which video they want to watch.
Skillshare is literally promoting Ali's competition. Here's the biggest problem about the revenue, right? That's $716,000 that Ali takes home, right? Represents 30% of the sales he sent to Skillshare. 70% is going to Skillshare. That is an insane number. He is handing away the humongous majority of the sales to someone else. He had made many times more, almost 4 times more money selling his own stuff, that one part-time YouTuber Academy.
He has his own case study right in front of him. Like he's already done it with one course, and he's made 12
Exactly.
other courses on Skillshare. So it's like individualize everything. Like get off Skillshare ASAP. You would think that okay, maybe there's like a revenue split in that way that goes to creators, but it's actually based on how much time, the minutes watched of a certain course. If you watch a video on 2x speed, you are technically watching a video faster, shorter.
Imagine selling something, right? And someone else makes the money until your customer uses it. Like, that's insane. Or if they use it faster, better, you make less money. That's unbelievable. Okay, why should Ali's sending awesome people, his own audience, his best customers, sending them over to Skillshare? They're paying Skillshare, and then Skillshare says, well, if people don't really kind of engage, we're going to keep all that money from a sale Ali made for them. Does he even get to capture emails? And the answer is no.
We looked up their terms of service and their data policy. You can only contact students. You're only given their name and like their profile. So you don't get to see their email, and you can only communicate with them through the discussion tab. So like your own little forum on Skillshare. So if you have a
Insane.
newsletter, my YouTube
Nope.
channel, my new
Nope.
product, that violates the terms of service, and they'll kick you off Skillshare.
Instead of Skillshare owning your students, SamCart, you own your students. You get their contact information. You can add them to your email list. You can add them to text message services. You reserve the right to contact your students about whatever else you want, which is unbelievably valuable. There is zero competition for attention, okay? Whereas Skillshare is going to actively promote, right, other stuff and your competition while your students are watching your stuff. Zero of that over on SamCart, right? All of your sales are yours, okay? You pay the very normal credit card fees that everybody pays, but every dime on top of that is yours. SamCart doesn't take a dime. You do not make less if someone watches fewer of your videos, you know, or speeds it up, right? The biggest thing that SamCart does, and why SamCart customers make 3 to 5 times more on average than people who sell in other places, right, is that SamCart gives you tools to sell more to your existing customers.